I had this issue with TikTok when I tried to log into my account. It says maximum number of attempts reached. So I thought it was a bug with TikTok. I said, okay, I'm going to try it the next day. I tried it the next day. I still have the same problems. Maximum number of attempts reached. Try again later. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I fixed the issue. As you can see right here, I've already successfully logged in. So I'm going to show you how I fixed the issue. First thing you need to do is to click and hold your TikTok and go to application information. You have to scroll down and make sure your connection is set to mobile data and Wi-Fi. If you don't have it, then don't worry about it. Next, you click on clear data. It's going to bring up two options here, clear all data or clear cache. Click on clear all data. Well, I'm not going to do that because I've already fixed the issue. So when you clear it, you have to go back to TikTok and log into your account. If the problem still persists, what you have to do is to uninstall TikTok and reinstall it from Play Store. So that's how I fixed my own issues. I was able to log into my account. I hope this video helps you. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.